There's a place so divine, Charter Oak Tree Farm, a place to unwind. Last green valley whispers secrets through the trees, where the Shetucket River flows with a gentle breeze. Rainbow trout are dancing, glistening in the sun, casting lines by the water. Oh, we're having fun at Charter Oak Tree Farm, where the wild things roam. Birds in the treetops, it's a nature lover's home. Warbling vireo sing, harmony so sweet. Scarlet tanagers flash, make the day complete. Meadow full of deer, and then they disappear. Underneath the sky, there's magic in the air. Rose-breasted grouse beaks, Baltimore Orioles too, painted colors in the woods, nature's vibrant hue. Autumn leaves are falling, press the ground in gold. Every moment at this farm, a story to be told. A Charter Oak Tree Farm, with wild things grow. Birds in the treetops, it's a nature lover's home. Warbling vireo sing, in harmony so sweet. Scarlet tanagers flash, make the day complete. As the sun sets low, casting shadows long, we gather by the fire, humming our song. With friends by our side, the stars shining bright. Charter Oak Tree Farm, our hearts are taking flight. So let the river sing, let the wildlife thrive. In the last green valley, feel so alive. Every season brings new beauty, every day a new start. At Charter Oak Tree Farm, it's a place close to the heart. At Charter Oak Tree Farm, where the wild things roam. Birds in the treetops, it's a nature lover's home. Warbling vireo sing, in harmony so sweet. Scarlet tanagers flash, make the day complete. So come on down where the river flows free. Charter Oak Tree Farm, where we long to be. Nature's song surrounds us in every leaf and breeze. In the last green valley, we find our peace with ease.